Hey everyone, let's talk about making more money in 2025. One word, affiliate marketing. It's booming. More people are shopping online than ever before. This means more chances for you to earn passive income. That's right, you can earn while you sleep. Excited? You should be. Affiliate marketing is like having your own online store without the hassle. You promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your special link, you get a commission. It's that simple. Whether you're a blogger, social media enthusiast, or just starting, affiliate marketing is your golden ticket to boosting your income. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or marketing guru to succeed. Stick with me and I'll show you how to make affiliate marketing work for you. Okay, let's break down affiliate marketing so it's crystal clear. Imagine this. You find a fantastic pair of headphones online and tell all your friends about them. One of your friends loves your recommendation and buys the headphones using your unique referral link. Guess what? You get a cut of the sale. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You're like a matchmaker, connecting awesome products with people who love them. You're adding value by recommending stuff you believe in. And the best part is you get rewarded for it. Think about the things you use and love every day. Could be anything. Running shoes, online courses, that amazing coffee you can't live without. Chances are they have affiliate programs you can join and start earning from. Ready to make money with affiliate marketing? Whether you're new or looking to level up, these simple strategies will help you succeed, even with zero experience. Affiliate marketing is a straightforward way to earn passive income online, and anyone can do it. Start with what you know. Choose products related to your interests. When you care about what you're promoting, your enthusiasm shines through and your audience will notice. Write honest, in-depth reviews of products you've tried or researched. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to more clicks and conversions. Share your affiliate links on social media, show how you use the products, answer questions, and engage with your audience. Stay consistent and keep learning. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. With these strategies, you're on your way to success. In affiliate marketing, trust is everything. It's the invisible thread connecting you to your audience and the foundation of every successful partnership. People are bombarded with offers every day, so standing out means being someone they can truly rely on. Be yourself. Your unique voice and perspective set you apart. Authenticity is key. Share your real experiences, honest opinions, and even your mistakes. People connect with real people, not sales robots. Transparency is golden. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. Let your audience know you may earn a commission if they buy through your link. This honesty builds trust and respect. Over-deliver on value. Share bonus tips, helpful guides, or exclusive resources. When people feel valued, they'll keep coming back. Building trust takes time. Be patient, stay consistent, and always put your audience first. That's your secret weapon. Now that you're ready to conquer the affiliate marketing world, it's time to choose the right programs for you. This step is absolutely crucial because the affiliate programs you select will shape your entire journey and determine how successful you can become. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So here's what to look for. First, focus on products you love. This might sound simple, but it's one of the most important factors. When you promote products or services that you genuinely use and believe in, your recommendations will come across as authentic and trustworthy. Your audience can tell when you're passionate about something, and that passion is contagious. Promote products or services you genuinely use and believe in. If you're excited about what you're sharing, your audience will be more likely to trust your opinion and take action. Think about the products you use every day, the services you can't live without, or the brands you're always telling your friends about. These are great starting points for your affiliate journey. Your enthusiasm will shine through and make your recommendations more persuasive. Second, look for a solid reputation. It's essential to research the company behind the affiliate program. A reputable company will not only make your job easier, but it will also protect your own reputation as a marketer. Look for programs with positive reviews and a history of paying their affiliates on time. Check out what other affiliates are saying. Are they happy with the program? Do they get paid reliably? Are there any red flags or complaints? A trustworthy program will have a track record of treating its partners well. Third, pay close attention to the commission structure. Different programs offer different commission rates, and this can have a big impact on your earnings. Some programs pay a percentage of each sale you generate, while others offer a flat fee per conversion or lead. Some pay a percentage of the sale, while others pay a flat fee. Consider which model works best for your niche and your audience. For example, high-ticket items with a percentage commission can be very lucrative, while flat fees might be better for products with a lower price point but higher volume. Choose programs that align with your earning goals. Think about how much you want to earn and how the program structure fits into your overall strategy. Don't be afraid to compare several options before making a decision. And finally, consider the support system. Look for programs that offer excellent affiliate support. This can include dedicated account managers, helpful resources, and responsive customer service. You want to be able to get help if you have questions or encounter issues. A good support team can make a huge difference, especially when you're just starting out or if you run into technical problems. Remember, choosing the right affiliate programs is crucial to your success. Don't rush this step. Take the time to evaluate your options carefully. The right program will not only help you earn more, but it will also make your affiliate marketing experience more enjoyable and sustainable. Take your time, do your research, and find programs that feel like a good fit for you and your audience. When you choose wisely, you set yourself up for long-term success and build a foundation for a thriving affiliate marketing business. Congratulations, you're now armed with the knowledge and strategies to rock the affiliate marketing world. But here's the thing, knowledge without action is useless. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. There's no such thing. The best time to start is right now. Take that first step. Sign up for an affiliate program, create your first piece of content, share it with the world. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve when you take action.